Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment social network week 6 assignment 6. So the first question is, what does each node represent in this network? So these are the option: a post, a user, a like, a comment. So the answer is a user. Now the second question is, what does an edge represent? So these are the option: a friendship, a follow, relationship, a message, a shared post. So the answer of our second question is B. Now the third question is, if 10 influence points are initially given to each user equally and each user distributes their points equally to the user they follow, how many points does D received after one rounds of distribution? So these are the option 1 to 10, 3. So the answer of our third question is 2. Now the fourth question is, why use equal coin distribution in this network? So these are the option, and the answer of our fourth question is A, to ensure fairness. Now the fifth question is, user C is followed by both A and D. User D is followed by B and C. Assuming all follow relationships are equal, who is more likely to have a higher page rank? So these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is C. Now the sixth question is, if 10 coins are randomly dropped on users, what is the expected number of coins per user? So these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is 2. Now the seventh question is case study 2 academic citation network. Seventh question is, what does a node represent? So these are the option: a researcher, a paper, a citation, a journal. So the answer of our seventh question is B, a paper. Now the eighth question is, which paper is most likely to spread its influence widely through citation based on out degree? So these are the option P1, P2, P3, P4. So the answer of our eighth question is A, P1. Now the ninth question is, in the point distribution method, how are points initially distributed? So these are the option: equally, by out degree, by in degree, randomly. So the answer of our ninth question is A, equally. Now the 10th question is, which paper likely has the highest page rank? So these are the option P1, P2, P3, P4. So the answer of our 10th question is A, P1. Now the 11th question is, in the random walk method, what does a random jump probability 1D represent? So these are the options: starting from a random paper, following a citation, ignoring citation, stopping the walk. So the answer of our 11th question is A, starting from a random paper. Now the 12th question is case study 3 e-commerce product network. What does each node represent? So these are the option: a customer, a product, a purchase, a review. So the answer of our 12th question is B, a product. Now the 13th question is, when 10 popularity points are distributed equally among 5 products, which statement is most accurate? So these are the option, and the answer of our 13th question is B, product with more incoming links get more points. Now the 14th question is, if 10 coins are randomly dropped across 5 products, what does the expected number of coins per product tell us? So these are the option, and the answer of our 14th question is C. On average, each product gets 2 points. Now the 15th question is, which product has the highest degree rank? So these are the option X, Y, Z, W. So the answer of our 15th question is C, Z. Now the 16th question is, why is page rank better than degree rank for this network? So these are the option: considers importance of linking product faster to compute, uses fewer resources, only consider outgoing links. So the answer of our 16th question is A, consider importance of linking product. Now the 17th question is case study for transportation network. What does each node represent? So these are the option: a bus stop, a passenger, a route. So the answer of our 17th question is B, a bus stop. Now the 18th question is, if 8 passengers are distributed equally, how many per stop? So these are the option 1, 2, 4, 8. So the answer of our 18th question is B, 2. Now the 19th question is, what is the role of the damping factor in page rank for this network? So these are the option: prevents infinite loops, accounts for random jumps, normalize scores, handles dangling nodes. So the answer of our 19th question is B, accounts for random jumps. Now the 20th question is, S2 is linked by both S1 and S3. S4 is linked only by S3. If all links are equal, which bus stop is likely to have the highest page rank? So these are the option S1, S2, S3 and S4. So the answer of our 20th question is B, S2. Now the 21st question is, in the random walk method, what does the steady state probability represent? So these are the option, and the answer of our 21st question is A, likelihood of a passenger at a stop. Now, the 22nd question is case study fifth online learning platform. What does each node represent? A student, a course, a lecture, a grade. So the answer of our 22nd question is B, a course. Now the 23rd question is, if 12 enrollment points are distributed equally, how many per course? So these are the option 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer of our 23rd question is C, Now the 24th question is why use equal coin distribution for courses? So these are the option, and the answer of our 24th question is B. Simulate fair resource allocation. Now the 25th question is C1 is a prerequisite for both C2 and C3. C4 is the final course. Which course likely has the highest page rank? So these are the options C1, C2, C3, C4. So the answer of our 25th question is C. Now the 26th question is in the point distribution method, how does C4's page rank depends on other courses? So these are the option, and the answer of our 26th question is B, on the page rank of its pre-requested. So now the 27th question is case study 6 news website network. In the point distribution method, what happened to point from a dangling node? So these are the option loss distributed to all page equally kept by the node distributed to linking pages. So the answer of our 27th question is B, distributed to all pages equally. Now the 28th question is in the random walk method. Why include random jumps? So these are the option, and the answer of our 28th question is A, ensure all pages are reachable. Now the 29th question is can a website with low degree have high page rank? So these are the option, and the answer of our 29th question is A, yes, if linked by high page rank sites. Now, the 30th question is why is page rank preferred over degree rank for ranking websites? So these are the option, and the answer of our 30th question is A, consider importance of linking sites. Now, submit your answer. Thank you, friends, for watching this video.